In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete downloads on YouTube Music. This process is straightforward and will help you manage your library efficiently. Keeping your downloads organized ensures you have enough storage on your device. Let's get started. First, you need to open the YouTube Music app. You will see the familiar interface of the app, which features a colorful display of music and playlists. This is where all your music activities will take place. You might notice options for home, library, and search. Opening the app is crucial because it allows you to access your music library, where all your downloaded content is stored. Once you have the app open, you are ready for the next step. Next, tap on the library icon located at the bottom of the screen. This icon looks like a collection of books or a shelf, and it is your gateway to all your saved music. When you tap on it, you will see different categories such as playlists, albums, and downloads. Accessing the library is important because it helps you navigate through your music options easily. It keeps everything organized and within reach. From there, select the Downloads category at the top of the menu. This category showcases all the music you have downloaded for offline listening. You will see a list of songs, albums, or playlists that are stored on your device. By selecting downloads, you can focus specifically on what you want to manage. This step is important as it narrows down your options, making it easier to find what you wish to delete. Now, locate the specific song, album, or playlist you want to purge. You can scroll through the list to find your desired content. This part of the process requires a bit of attention since you want to ensure you select the correct item. Once you find what you're looking for, you can proceed to the next step. This is a crucial moment because it ensures you only remove what you no longer need, keeping your library tidy. Next up, tap the three vertical dots next to its name. This action will open a menu with several options related to the selected item. The three dots are a universal symbol for more options, and tapping on them will provide you with the tools necessary to manage your downloads. This step is essential because it opens up the pathway to removing the download you've chosen. After that, tap Remove Download or Remove from Downloads and confirm your choice. A prompt may appear asking if you really want to remove it. Confirming your choice will delete the downloaded content from your device. This action is significant because it frees up storage space, allowing you to download more music in the future. Once you've confirmed, you will see a brief message indicating that the download has been removed. Following these steps, you will have successfully deleted unwanted downloads from your YouTube Music library. This process not only helps in managing storage but also keeps your music experience fresh and relevant. Remember, regularly updating your downloads can improve your listening enjoyment. Thank you for following along and enjoy your music.